We're Smallpeice, the charity that thinks learning should be fun and easy to get hold of.
And today we're thinking inside the box.
Just because the picture on the box says STEM, so science, technology, engineering or maths, it doesn't mean what's inside is.
So we're the non-STEM experts opening up the contents.
And getting STEM experts to put what's inside to the test.
Making sure the small people in your life have fun and learn a little STEM on the way.
So, the Action Robots Runner, which shop did we get this from?
We got this from the Entertainer
Oh, okay.
in Leamington Spa.
And we bought it because, as you can see, it says STEM on the box. Okay, interesting amount of sellotape on this project.
Also, I've noticed the pictures on the box are like different ways up, whichever way you view them, so.
Oh, okay. Oh, and it's from the Science Museum, so it looks good. So we've got one packet. Oh, and then we've got something that looks way more weighted. They're all packed in, and then
A lot of plastic.
there's a lot of plastic. You've got what is this?
Whoa! Instructions?
Yeah, instructions for the correct use of the toys with replaceable batteries. Okay, it's in many languages, which is useful, and you know, inclusive. Do you know what? There is a much easier instruction.
Ooh, pictures
Also
and
here.
colour.
Yeah. Okay. So all of the instructions are kind of laid out on this. And some stickers.
Oh, we can decorate it.
I'm loving a sticker.
Perfect.
Okay, so basically the only thing that you need is a screwdriver for here to put batteries in, and then actually beyond that, it looks really pretty simple to be able to put together.
It's got like the Lego type of instructions.
Yeah.
Set it up.
Cool. Okay, slightly intimidated by these instructions, but generally pretty good. Are we putting this together then?
Shall we? Should we do it?
Go on then. Yeah?
Yeah.
It just looks like something you're going to put together once.
And then not have
And then
to
like
do it.
what more would you have to do? What? Hold on. Sorry. It says 8+, but I'm not joking. My 6-year-old could do this.
Yeah.
Like without any problems. Like this is less complicated than
It's got easy setup here.
Do you know what? After me just saying a 6-year-old could do this, I'm now struggling, which I think sums up my life.
Yeah, but 6-year-olds are smart. Okay.
It's a bit fiddly.
It's got quite a robotic look to it, hasn't it? Like.
Yeah, but like, just because something looks robotic, I'm not massively... do you know what? I'm genuinely a bit disappointed.
Yeah.
Because I just thought, oh, this is the science museum.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be the schmozzle. You know, like...
Yeah. Now we can't even get the wheel on.
What is it going that way? I don't think it's those pegs.
Oh,
Yeah, you got it?
got one in.
Awesome. It is the wrong way because the foot has to be round, but let's just... and it's pointing the wrong way.
Oh no.
But I can't laugh. You got it on. I didn't get it on.
There you go.
Okay.
Ooh, bit of robotic
motion.
sounds there.
Yeah, but does that make it a STEM toy?
I couldn't see until we see this in motion. I don't know. I think
Yeah, but how will you learn?
the engineering in it's pretty hidden. We don't know how that's moving, kind of thing.
Yeah, but does a small child care? Does an 8-year-old care?
Does it have battery then?
I don't. No, it won't. It never comes with batteries. This is the final product. I'm gonna go disappointing.
Yeah. So we're going to say this one's pretty disappointing. We're not seeing much that this is doing other than running. Can't really see where it fits into the STEM vibe. Perfect for a birthday present maybe if you're looking for something to buy for another young person, but
Yeah, definitely not for 8 plus. Definitely feels younger than that. Like we said, it's pretty. It was pretty straightforward to put together. It's pretty durable. You can give it to like a 2-3-year-old, and it's not gonna they're not gonna immediately break it. But considering who it's affiliated with in terms of the Science Museum, we're a bit disappointed. And because of that, we won't be giving this one to another school because we don't see the value in it from a STEM charity. So we will be giving it away to Helping Hands charity, which is a local charity, for them to be able to donate into their charity shop. A bit disappointed, really.